So for this problem, to find the equation of the tangent line and the normal line. So from this given, first we need to find the first derivative. So y prime equals the derivative of 3x squared. This is 6x. Then the derivative of positive 7x. So this is positive 7. The derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So y prime equals 6x plus 7. Then from this first derivative, so we can find now the slope of a tangent line, because the slope of a tangent line is equal to the first derivative, and this is equal to 6x plus 7. Then to solve now for the slope from the given coordinate, so this is x and y. So we need to substitute this negative 2 to x to solve for the slope. So this becomes m then equals 6 times negative 2 then plus 7. Then to simplify to find the slope. So this 6 times negative 2, this is negative 12. And negative 12 plus 7, so this is negative 5. So the slope of a tangent line is equal to negative 5. Then from the slope, so we can find now the equation of a tangent line using this formula, the point slope formula. So y minus y sub 1 equals the slope times x minus x sub 1. Then from this given coordinate, so this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So this becomes y then minus y sub 1, and y sub 1 is equal to negative 1. Then equals the slope. So that's negative 5. Then times x, then minus x sub 1, and x sub 1 is equal to negative 2. Then to simplify, so this double negative, so this becomes positive, and also this double negative, so this becomes positive. Then this becomes y plus 1, then equals, so negative 5 times x, negative 5x, and negative 5 times positive 2, that's negative 10. Then we need to solve for y, so we have y equals negative 5x, negative 10. Then we need to transpose this positive 1 to the other side, so this becomes negative 1. So we have y equals negative 5x and negative 10, negative 1. So this is equal to negative 11. So this is now the equation of a tangent line. Then to find the equation of a normal line, so first we need to find the slope of a normal line. So since the slope of a normal line is equal to negative 1 over m, so therefore this is equal to negative 1 over negative 5, because m is equal to negative 5. Then to find out the slope of a normal line, since we have this double negative, so this becomes positive. So therefore the slope of a normal line is equal to positive 1 over 5. Then from this slope, so we can find now the equation of a normal line. So using this formula, then again, this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So this becomes y minus y sub 1, that's negative 1, then equals the slope of a normal line. So this is 1 over 5. Then times x minus x sub 1. So that's negative 2. Then to simplify, so this double negative. So this becomes positive. And also this double negative. So this becomes positive. Then to simplify, so since this equation contains a fraction, so we need to eliminate first this denominator by multiplying this whole equation by this number. So times 5. Then simplify. So this 5 times y, this becomes 5y. And 5 times positive 1, that's positive 5. Then 5 times 1 over 5. So we can cancel now this 5. So the remaining is 1. Then times x plus 2. Then to simplify, so this becomes 1 times x, that's x. And 1 times 2, that's 2. Then we need to solve for y, so we need to transpose this positive 5 to the other side. So 5y equals x plus 2. And this positive 5 becomes negative 5. Then 5y equals x. And this positive 2 and negative 5, that's negative 3. Then to solve for y, so we need to divide every terms by this number. So divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. So we have now y equals positive 1 over 5x, then minus 3 over 5. So this is now the equation of the normal line.